Hello everyone, I am Prerna. I am a second year student of Computer Science and Information Technology at Dronacharya College of Engineering, Gurugram. I am a tech enthusiast and also a writer by passion. I am a member of various tech communities like the Developer Student Clubs and the Skillenza Hustlers Group. Currently, I am interning with Geeks for Geeks as a technical content writing intern. So my task as a technical content writing intern is to write high quality technical articles which are well researched and plagiarism free, and at the same time I am paid a stipend based upon the quantity and the quality of articles which are published. So coming to the application process for this role, I had to apply through the careers page of Geeks for Geeks, and the application process was divided into two parts. The first part being filling up of a Google form, and the second part was to publish 2 articles within a given deadline. The articles which I wrote could be on any of the technical topics, but I chose to write on Python and data science as I am well versed with Python. So talking about the interview process for this internship, as of now this internship does not require any formal interview, but the selection is purely based upon the articles which you get published during the application phase. So the application for this internship is open almost throughout the year, and you can always apply through the careers page of Geeks for Geeks. Thing to keep in mind while applying for this role is that whichever article you get published should not be a work of copy or paste, and it should purely reflect your interest or your passion towards that particular technical domain or that particular technical topic, and that is the sole criteria for you being selected or being rejected for this internship. So if any of you are trying to apply for this internship or are planning to do this internship, I would suggest that you can always visit the gfg.write, which is a portal for all the writers or the technical writers on Geeks for Geeks, where there is a list of articles which are yet to be published, and you can always pick up your topic of interest from that list and you can publish an article accordingly. To sign off, I would say that Geeks for Geeks is really a great organization to work with, even if you are a beginner or an expert in any of the technical domains, as you would not only get a chance to strengthen your basics, but you'll also get to learn a lot of new stuff which you weren't aware of before. Also, the writers here get rewarded based upon their exemplary performances. So yeah, it's really a great deal if you get selected for this internship. So I hope my experience was helpful, and I would also thank Harsh for bringing forward such a great initiative and also for inviting me to this interview. Thank you.